You're sitting good. Can you shake? Can you shake? Oh, good girl. Okay, can you shake with the other one? Good girl. Roxie, are you watching Molly? You gonna learn how to do this? Our family's been teaching our puppy Roxie tons of new tricks. We found she learns best by copying her older sister. Molly, are you gonna show her?
Sit. Not sit. Oh, no, that's not sitting. My goodness. Sit. Are you be uncooperative? Shake. Good girl. Sit. Shake.
What do you think of that, Roxie? What do you think of that?
Roxie, sit. Sit. Shake.
Molly, you're trying to help.
Good. Sit. Shake. Good girl. Okay, Roxie, sit. Shake. 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 Oh, good girl. Roxie, shake. Sit. Nothing. Shake. Sit. Shake. Good girl. Roxie, that's a plop. It's not a sit, that's a plop.
My parents aren't exactly the best with dogs.
Roxie, front. Can you shake on the ground? Molly. Roxie, can you shake? Shake. Roxie, shake. Roxie, shake. Roxie, shake. Oh, almost. Roxie, sit. Sit. Shake.
This is how it's done.
Roxie, run.
Okay, you three. Sit. Sit. Vinnie, sit. Molly, shake. Good girl. Gentle. Roxie, sit. Shake. No, no. Molly, to this side. Roxie. Roxie. Roxie, sit. Sit. Shake. No, no, not kisses. Shake. 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 Good girl. And finally, Vinnie. Ah, sit. Now go on. Good boy. Hey, choose. Molly, that was Vinnie's. Hey. Sit. Shake. No. Shake. Oh, good girl, Molly. Shake. Good girl. Gentle. Vinnie. Sit. Sit. Knuckle bump. Hey, that wasn't a knuckle bump. Sit. Knuckle bump. Good boy. That's how it's done. Isn't that right? Mwah. Oh, you're heavy.
Roxie, sit. Good girl. Can you shake? Can you shake? Can you shake? Shake. No. Can you shake?